Welcome to Fiboken's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fiboken. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors and our clients to make their own investment decisions through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. Every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is July 1, 2023, Saturday. On Saturdays, as always, we discuss about the Saturdays and weekends in general, we discuss about the global markets. That is Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, currency, commodities and everything. So last week onwards, we started putting in three parts, but this week, okay, every month beginning, what we plan to do is we just put only one video. The reason being is we will just analyze what we said, what happened, where we stand, so that you will know the power of technical analysis. Before going into that, our educational videos are put in English and Tamil, 16 modules. Module 16 is definitely required for traders, particularly in derivative traders, and module 1 to 4 is required for everyone. 4 to 8 is required for anyone who is BBA, BCom and graduates, and anybody doing MBA should see up to module 15. 16 should be definitely seen by traders. Let's go into today's discussion. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about in general how the month of June performed for global markets, where did it close, what happened and what did we say, where it closed, right? First, we will give the levels. Dow for this month it closed at 34,405, 4.5% up. Nasdaq 13,787.92, 6.6% up. S&P 4450.38, 6.5% up. FTSE 7531.53, 1.1% up. For this year alone, Nasdaq is up 32%, S&P is up 16%, while Dow is around 6 to 8%, somewhere around that. While FTSE is more or less at these levels. So, what happened in this week, in this month, in this entire week itself, in this month, Dow formed a solid green, everything formed a solid green candle other than FTSE. Dow formed a solid green candle forming bullish engulf. If you recollect, last week we said that Dow will form bullish engulf. It formed a bullish engulf. It now closed above the Bollinger Middle Band and exponential moving average. It's a powerful close, no doubt about it. What is the level we set for Dow? We said that Dow will close between 33,586.86 to 34,587.46. Where it closed? 34,405.99. Power of technical analysis. Nasdaq. Next is Nasdaq. Nasdaq and Dow, if you see that, it's in a significant uptrend, but caution has to be exercised in July. That anyway in July we will tell, because it has run so much so quickly and it has formed the kind of candle in the monthly chart that the fall is ready to happen, right, in July. But that is for July, but now we are in June, right? We are only assessing what happened, why it happened. It formed a solid green candle and above the Bollinger Middle Band and exponential moving average. In fact, Nasdaq is the most powerful. Last week, what did we say? We said that it is just below the upper band. Upper band is within sight. It is actually, I would say, equidistance between the upper band and the middle band. And last week we said that 13,325.17 to on the upper side, it will close at the weekly upper band. At that point in time, the weekly upper band was 13,8680, but now the weekly upper band has gone. So what has to be noted here is not the price, but the levels, because these are all dynamic levels. So we had said that weekly upper band, it will close below that. It closed below that weekly upper band. Hence, if somebody is a trader, he or she should do all this analysis and understand the dynamic movement of this weekly upper band, daily upper band, moving averages and everything, excepting the levels that it formed. Let's say 2022 close or 23 last month close, high and all those things, which is static. These are all dynamic ones. So once again, the power of technical analysis. S&P, the story is the same. It formed a hanging man hammer type of candle last month, that is in the month of May, after which it formed a significant up move. It is also above the Bollinger upper band and middle band, upper band and exponential moving average, well below the middle band, well below the upper band, above the middle band and exponential moving average. So what here we said, once again we said 4303.12 to 4401.03. That is nothing but the weekly upper band we said. Because the weekly upper band has gone up, it closed below the weekly upper band, but it has gone above the price that we stated, because it was the price at that point in time. Because of the upward movement that was happening, the upper band levels have gone up, right? So that's the power of technical analysis. So next is FTSE. FTSE, what did it form? It formed a small inverted hammer or a spinning top kind of a thing. We said that the 2021 close, 22 close, it cannot be broken down that easily, and also it will not go above and close above the 200-day moving average in the daily chart. That is what it happened. It closed exactly within the levels we had said. Also we said that monthly middle band is at 7536. These are all strong resistance. Where it closed at 75431.53. 200-day moving average is at 7542.40. You can see the technicals. VIX at 13.59, CBOE VIX, it's going down significantly just above the Bollinger lower band in the monthly chart. So it's on a significant downtrend, VIX. So US, next is dollar index and its components. Dollar index, first we will see the levels where we said dollar index 102.262, Euro USD 1.09, 1 by 1 will go, dollar index 102.262. So dollar index, we said that it will close between 101.434. We had said that 100 to 97 to 100 is very strong support. It will not go below that. It will not go below that. And we said that it will close below the 50-day simple moving average, which was at that point in time 102.502. So now the 50, what happened on Thursday? That is one day before the month closing. It went above the 50-day, but it could not sustain there. Bears pushed it down, and it closed below the 50-day simple moving average. That's the power of technical analysis. Euro versus USD 1.0910. We had once again said that 100-week simple moving average, it will act as a support, while the resistance will be the May high. So what is the 100-week moving average? We said 1.0836, and on the upper side we said 1.0109 May high. This level will not change. 1.01 May high is not going to change. It closed exactly below that, within that range we had said. Next is GBP versus USD 1.2704. Here again we said that the 100-week simple moving average is going to act as a very strong support, which is at 1.2633. It closed above that. And what is the resistance we had said? We said a 50-day simple moving average, which is at 1.2867. It closed within that levels. Next is that USD JPY 144.32. We had said that on the upper level it is very difficult to give because it is on such a significant up move, while on the lower side the previous week opening, which was at 141.74, that will act as a very strong support. It never went there, it just closed above that. And also we had given a level of 146.30. We made certain Fibonacci retracements and gave that level. It closed within that. So once again the power of technical analysis. USD INR, those from India will definitely be interested and excited to hear it. 82.091 it closed. We had said that 50-week simple moving average will act as a strong support, 81.597, while the 200-day simple moving average 82.091 will act as a resistance. We said that in this week before June it will not take that levels above. It is now just slanting and going up, and also in the monthly chart it has formed a rounding top and it is near the exponential moving average and Bollinger middle band in the monthly chart. There are two things that can happen. Either it can break down significantly or break out significantly and go up. I feel that the breakout on the upward direction is a possibility looking at the daily and weekly chart. Anyway, that is in the month of July we will see. Of course, dollar index formed a solid bearish engulf. Euro USD formed a bullish arami. All those things we have seen, right? Next is US 10-year yield 3.841. What we have said, solid big green candle. It is the second month green candle. It continues its uptrend. Brent and NYMEX, Brent at 74.90, NYMEX at 70.64. Here it's like what I call, many people come and talk of many levels. Unfortunately, they are not aware of anything about technical analysis. Once again, in this week, 200 week moving average acted as a very strong support. We had said that the 200 week moving average cannot be broken. The 200 week moving average and 50 month moving average, which is equivalent, right? 250 month is 200 week. So that will act as a very strong support, and we can expect a significant bounce. We can expect the fall is over. Fall is definitely over. Significant up move can come probably in the 2-3 months down the line. In fact, next month itself we can see an up move. That is in next month, meaning this month, July itself. And the significant up move can start probably late 2023 or 2024. But the fall from this level is arrested. One has to be very cautious. I am sure you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.